is Mara Burnett, and I'm a personal injury attorney in Woodland Hills, California, with the Mandell Law Firm. I've been practicing personal injury for almost 30 years, and I'd like to talk to you today for a few minutes about why I think it's important to have the right kind of car insurance. We all know that car insurance is important to protect us from having to pay thousands of dollars if we cause injuries to someone else. But a lot of people don't know that your car insurance can protect you as well. Of course, the time to think about what kind of car insurance is right for you is before you have an accident, not after. Driving without car insurance is illegal in California, and even if an accident is not your fault, you could lose your license, have your vehicle impounded, and you may have to pay some fines. If you're injured in an accident and you don't have car insurance, you're not entitled to recover personal injury, pain and suffering damages in California. Liability coverage is coverage which is required in California. This provides coverage for bodily injury and property damage to others in case you cause an accident. Although California only requires a 1530 policy, which means, of course, $15,000 max per person and $30,000 max per accident, it's a good idea to get a higher limit because it's not that much more expensive, and you can get a higher uninsured or underinsured motorist limit if you raise your liability coverage. Uninsured motorist coverage is the type of insurance that covers you when the person that hit you has no insurance. Underinsured motorist coverage is included in uninsured motorist coverage, and that covers you when the person has very little insurance available to cover your bills. Think about what would happen if you had medical bills of $80,000 or so and the at-fault driver only had a $15,000 policy. You can avoid paying the balance out of your own pocket if you have uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. With the extremely high cost of medical bills today, this kind of coverage is almost essential. MedPay is insurance which will pay your medical bills no matter who is at fault. It can also be used to pay the bills incurred by your passengers or even the other driver. Just a word of caution, however, if you do get MedPay benefits from your insurance carrier, you may have to pay them back at the end of the case. Comprehensive coverage covers damage to your car when you're not driving it. Say, for example, a tree fell on it or your vehicle or its contents were stolen, that should come under comprehensive coverage. Collision coverage is coverage you get to pay for damage to your own vehicle, no matter who's at fault. One of the main benefits of having collision coverage is that your car gets fixed right away, even if they're still fighting about who's at fault for the accident. Collision coverage is very important because sometimes the other driver doesn't have enough coverage to pay for the damage that he or she did to your vehicle. Rental coverage will pay for a rental while your car is in the shop. If someone else causes the accident and you don't have rental, you may have to wait months to be reimbursed. The way to avoid that problem is to simply have rental coverage on your policy. Most insurance companies only pay the fair market value of the vehicle when it is totaled in an accident. This can be thousands less than you owe on the loan. Gap insurance, which is usually purchased at the time you purchase your vehicle, covers the difference between the fair market value of the car at the time of the accident and what you still owe on the loan. If I could choose one takeaway from this video, it would be to ask your insurance agent how much more the cost of better insurance would be. I think you will be pleasantly surprised that it is not that much more expensive to get higher limits to protect you. Every case is different, and this video is not intended as legal advice. This video is intended for guidance only, to help you ask the right questions when you do go buy car insurance. You should consult with an insurance professional to answer your specific questions. I hope this helps. Safe travels, everyone.